Some big factors involved in producing a new plastic injection molding parts are cost and speed. When contracting with the supplier to make your parts, you put yourself at the mercy of their control. These contractors have large facilities with bigger size molding machines and a lot of overhead, but they split all this and their resources among many customers. So each one only pays for their portion, making it feel cost effective. When having your own setup and making your own parts yourself, you can produce on demand at a cost that is as needed.
The Maverick 9T breaks the barrier to entry in producing injection molded parts for yourself. This allows small to mid-sized businesses with operations in product design and development to rapidly iterate on ideas and create short to medium-term production quality parts. All done within their own workspace, with their own personnel. The equipment is accessible because space requirement is low, power requirement is low. Capital investment is justifiable. Traditional options for injection molding equipment have been on either extreme, low cost with low process control or high cost with high process control. The Maverick uses the same process controls as you would expect in high-end equipment at a reasonable price. Maverick users, take control.
For more information on Polymer Dynamics and the Maverick 9T, come visit us at polymerdynamics.com.